Looking back at 2023, what happened this year at the ceramic shop?
Well, if we look back and we sort of break up the business into the three different divisions, we've got the walk-in retail store, which is still healthy, and even though the hours, we still have limited walk-in hours, Monday and Tuesday we're closed, the customers are coming back. They're supportive, and they're actually traveling in from quite a distance. This has always been the case. We're sort of a destination retail. 2-3 hours people will travel. So the store looks great, it's stocked. So we're through all the inventory issues. We have great inventory. And the one area that we focused on for retail was displays, having better merchandising and better samples and images of the different dyes and tools. We can't have every kiln on the floor, but we can have good merchandising. And also with our own products, with our stilts and hydrobats, to provide that to our resellers so they have better in-store displays. So it was one of the areas that I literally focused on myself, was redesigning and designing packaging for our stilts, which are not the sexiest item, but in nice packaging, it really shows them off. And I'm proud of that packaging. So that's sort of the new stuff, looking back in the retail part of the business. The wholesale manufacturing part, which a lot of people might not even know, we manufacture over 500 products, SKUs, for the pottery supply industry. We have 140 resellers throughout the world, 50 top resellers, which is so exciting to think that our products are in Germany and Italy and all these countries. So that was an exciting thing to see that continued. Our international presence grew in the manufacturing part. Of course, we're always looking at refining the manufacturing. I know we had some challenges that we turned into positives. We had some negatives that we turned into positives with our glaze manufacturing. The whole industry had to deal with shortages on chemicals. So we were all forced to change, even though we didn't want to. It's kind of like having a pizza recipe and you can't get flour. Yeah. So, but what came out of it was new glazes. And so being adaptable and being able to adapt to challenges is what we went through. I think we came out on top there. We have a whole new line of glazes, which is exciting. And then of course the website. The e-commerce part of our business has grown tremendously. It was always growing, but we really now are standing out from the pack. We have a continued growth rate there. Over 1 million people have visited our website every year, and that continues to grow, which is so exciting to think that we're part of bringing ceramics into people's homes. But yeah, we just continue to grow our customer base, grow our product lines, and build out the departments. What used to be smaller categories are now getting bigger. Small subcategories are now growing.
Do you see any trends in the customers who shop with us?
That's a good question. The type of customer is sort of the trend I see, not changing, but evolving and growing. What we're seeing now is a new beginner, someone who is watching videos online, watching TikToks, YouTube, and getting a lot of good information. They call up with great questions as if they've been doing it for years. And so the quality of the online education that's out there is so high that they're just jumping right to, I want to buy a kiln. Yeah. So the new beginner, I'm calling them, is an important part of our business. So that's one trend we see. The international customers are growing. Our website is getting to more and more countries. That's a trend. And we saw a couple new products come into the industry this year. Cork wheels from India, beautiful wheel. I mean, it's as close to modern technology as the pottery industry has gotten, completely wireless pottery wheel.
What are you looking forward to in this upcoming year?
Well, continued growth. Every year we end with so many employees, and at the end of the next year we have 10 or 15 or 20 more. So honestly, I'm really excited to just see who's going to be here and who am I working with every day and what team can I help empower to develop this business. So I'm just looking forward to bringing in quality people. There are a couple products that we're developing in our own product line that I'm excited about. The decals is one of them. Images and graphics, putting on your ceramics has always been a little challenging. Decals have done really well over the years. We have our own line of decals now. We have a decal printer. So offering the service of printing your designs is something we've been doing. But I could see us doing more of the customization. Everybody can almost have their own custom tools, and we're actually there now. We can do that. We're already doing it with glaze, right? We're making glaze specific to their recipes. So just building out the customization, tailoring it. So not everybody has the same stuff, you know.
Yeah.
So you want to make an alteration on it, we can help you with that.
Do you have any, I guess, messages for the staff and our customers?
The biggest message would be thank you. Absolutely thank you. Thank you for all your support, your questions, and we wouldn't be here without you. And the staff, you guys and everybody here processing orders. We've got people over here doing school orders, buying. I can hear customer support in the background. They are all what make the ceramic shop.
Yeah.
Honestly, it's the best part of coming in here. So, thank you.